Hi there, Luis Zelaya, buyer agent for the Parodi Team at Realty Associates. Today, I want to share with you 3 reasons why you should decide on buying a house rather than renting one. Reason number 1, historic lowest rates. This means you have more purchasing power. You can buy a larger home, you can buy a higher price home. If you decide and not buy now and wait until the interest rates go up again, then you will be missing on it and you will be buying a smaller house or a higher price home. Reason number 2, when you buy a house, you invest in your future. With the market that we have now in Houston and surrounding areas, the appreciation is minimum 3%. If you buy a house today at $200,000, the house in a year is gonna be $206,000. In 2 years, it's gonna be appreciating 3% more and minimal 3% rate. When you decide to sell that house in say 3 years, the earned money, the equity you have is gonna go into your pockets. Reason number 3, you have some tax advantages when you buy a house. You have to consult with your accountant, but to my knowledge, you can deduct some expenses, upfront expenses like discount points. You can also deduct school and county taxes and also interest that you pay on your loan. For further clarification, consult your accountant. If you're in the market to buy a house now, call me at 832-334-8812 for a personal consultation. 832-334-8812. Luis Zelaya with the Parodi Team at Realty Associates. Thank you.